Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down just a little bit to find the display. Now let's enter the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some actually two albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from the Google Photos, and it is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed options. So I'll pick something from the wallpapers, and as you can see after tapping on it we've been transferred to the full list of defaultly installed wallpapers. They are not animated, so they are static ones. What's more, if you will decide that you want to set your photo as a wallpaper, you can simply tap on my photos and you will be transferred to your gallery. So basically, in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen. So if you decide that you want to set this wallpaper, just tap on the stick icon. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so just tap on it. And we got back to the album section, so let's go to the home screen, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.